Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It has been a few weeks since I've posted a video like this, and I wanted to share the progress that I've been making in the Godot game / productivity app that I've been working on for the past year. Oh, that feels like forever. Oh, I don't like saying that, but it's okay. Small progress every day is still progress. And I wanted to share what I've been working on since the last video. And in that last video, I was talking about building a scene switcher for the Godot game I'm working on, and I want to share what I've figured out. So if we take a look at the code, this is that scene switcher that I shared last time. You'll immediately notice that the code looks a bit different. The first problem that I was running into is that I was initiating a level change when a player body entered a detection zone. But because I wasn't immediately freeing the resources attached to the current scene the first time that a player entered that detection zone, I was recursively loading instances of the new scene that I wanted to load. So the way that I fixed that was by creating a Boolean value in the level change scene that I built to serve as a base instance for the entrances and exits of the levels that I create. So each one of those detection zones now has a variable called new scene loaded, and I'm initializing that to false. And on the first time that a player enters that detection zone, we will set new scene loaded to true, and then that prevents the signal from being emitted each additional time that for every frame that exists, it would fire that signal multiple times. So now it only fires once. And what that allows me to do is to remove the freeing of the resources of the current scene until the fade in animation has happened. So in our scene switcher, that function, that signal, will fire this handle level changed function and take in the map that we want to load, which will be a property on whatever detection zone that a player enters. And here, the first thing that we'll do is load that next level, and we'll just have it available to us, but it is not in our scene tree yet. It's just existing in the ether, I guess. And then we're gonna play that fade in animation. So that's going to fade the current scene to black. And once that animation has finished, the fade in animation, and we have a black screen, the current level will free itself of resources. And then after that has happened, we will add the next child into the scene tree. And the reason that that's necessary to do is because a problem that I was running into the last time, I guess the last video I filmed, but basically when both of these maps existed at the same time, I had two player bodies, one for each map, but they both existed at the same time, and the player body from one map could trigger the level change function or signal in the other map. So it was causing a lot of issues, and I needed to make sure that I freed the resources of the current scene before loading the next scene that I want to show to a player. And then we just do some small stuff here, like connecting to the new exit nodes on the next scene, set the current next level to null since we're only changing the level once, and then we played that fade out animation. And here is what that looks like. If I press Command R, looks like my keyboard has to connect, Bluetooth keyboard. Sorry about it. If I press Command R, that's gonna run the current scene that we're working on in Godot. And you can see if I go left, we're gonna fade to black, and then we load the next scene. So that's finally working appropriately. And I just wanted to share that progress with you. The next thing that I'm working on and have been working on a bit here is connecting the information in my game to the React application that the game is contained in. And I'm still trying to work through that, and I think once I figure that out, I will share that in the next video for anyone else that's maybe working on something similar. But thank you for watching, I appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.